You ever get one of those songs just stuck in your head? I happened to watch the Facts of Life documentary last week, and all I can hear is, you take the good, you take the bad, and take them both, and there you have the Facts of Life. Hopefully it's stuck in your head now. Greetings and salutations, you lovely degenerates, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower, where it's for weird and forgotten drinks and other late niceties. I'm your host, Corey. Today we're going to go into the Savoy cocktail book. I'm sure you guys heard of it. I've done some out of this before. Doing one called a Sharky Punch. And no, it doesn't contain shark, nor is it a punch. But it sounded interesting, so figured we'd give it a shot. And as always, I am not a bartender. Do not take any of this as bartending advice. So let's make a drink. Okay, so as I'm learning these cocktails, you know, I do a little research, or what kind of research I can on some of these, because some things don't always make sense. I mean, obviously, this has got Canadian whiskey, Calvados, or you can use apple brandy. But you know, we've gone down that road already. And the interesting part was it just said syrup, so I assume simple syrup, which I can link down below how to make simple syrup, or my simplest simple syrup you can make, but it's easy enough. So let's start this booger off here. All right. So we got 3/4 of an ounce of Calvados, 1/4 of an ounce Canadian whiskey. So it says teaspoon of syrup. I'm just using my big thick bar spoon. That's pretty close to a teaspoon. And shaking time. And it says to top it off with some soda water. I don't know if I'll pull it all the way to the top. It seems like it's a lot. Oh, we'll give that a... I don't need to stir. Remember, I got these spinning glasses. All right. That being said, let's give it a shot. You know, it looks kind of like ginger ale, so I was kind of expecting ginger ale. You know, the soda water waters it down, so it's a nice, easy drink. It's like drinking a highball. It's pretty flat tasting. It's not nothing strong, but easy enough. I do think it's missing like that more bitter taste from like lemons or limes or something, but it's not bad. You know, it's an easy enough bar drink to make and give it a shot. Anyway, in the meantime, make sure I get this thing straight. You know what to do. Cheers.